Shugor na Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Shillong All Faiths Forum mentakasngi ka Shipotrik unailar kalale kemenye ka Jingdap Snem nado bas dangnya ka Shipotrik unailar arhajar arpo ha program ka bala penlong halat khra Shillong kumban chopin kin mau bayakani ka kinhon la seng Hapdeng jong ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 ka bapen I ka jingalong Kawei Hapdeng ki Jaidniam Bapher hapo ka jela Meghalaya Hagni ka sngilawan banedon lang di kinong elam niam ki bahakmat jong ki kinhon niam Bapher haringkat ka jingkular ban shimkia hak ban pendo yi ki jing khamtam yi ki brew ki bala shakta an ka khlam jing pang COVID-19 badru ban ai ki jing kershan ki brew jong ka jela Meghalaya ka benta ka bakongsan jong ka matrekam jong ka Saff kalong ban wanra ya ka songsuk songsan ka jingas ngoto jingmot badru ban don ka mense banyarap keliang para brew hagino gino ki benta jong ka jing khamtam haba yekendo yeki jing hapo ke emlang ka sa lang hagni ka sngilawan banedon lang do ulat ka jela uphagu chohan ubalalong kum kongsan nangta Bishop P Lingdo President Saff unaba bhatacharji Vice President badru secretary Reverend Richard Majau haga jingedon lang Archbishop ka Shillong Archdiocese Reverend Victor Lingdo bat kiwei ke bla shakhot ngobha nalor ke program hagni ka skila dan ru ka jingshat bat kiwei ki jing penbernya ka bala pen I ya ka nongrim ka bakum ka seng ka yang kata ka long pen klan bat ru banya long Kawei wala ya pher ki Jaidniam ru
The Shillong All Faith Forum, Saff, was founded on 10th of August 2020 in Rakhe, Shillong, with the onslaught of the coronavirus pandemic 3 years ago. Leaders of different faith communities and some individuals got together with a concerted commitment to engage with this unprecedented adversity and to lend support and guidance to members of different communities in the state of Meghalaya. The basic principles of the Saff is to promote peace, harmony in society, and to uphold the value of human dignity and to respond to specific situations or needs of the society. 13 August 2022, the general meeting of the Saff was held on 13 August 2022 at 2 p.m. in University College, Laban, Shillong. It was in this meeting that the name and president of its bearers were elected. We have Bishop Hima as the president, Mr. Bapher, the vice president, Father Richard Majau, the secretary, Mr. Arun Barwa, the joint secretary, and Reverend Namrasuddin as the treasurer. 8 September 2022, the Saff had a meeting on the 8 September 2022 in University College, Laban. It was discussed seriously about substance abuse, all kinds of substances that is available in the drug market world. There are many reasons that lead to substance abuse. The forum can help by tackling school dropouts, parenting, counseling, vocational training, and trade awareness in our own communities. 9 December 2022. The GM of the Saff was convened on the 9th December 2022 in Shillong, Gurudwara. In the meeting, it was discussed the importance to enlighten the citizens of Meghalaya to choose good leaders in society. The Golden Jubilee celebration of the Northeastern Council. The Saff members attended the Golden Jubilee celebration of the NDC on Sunday, the 18th December 2022, where the the Honorable Prime Minister was the chief guest. 21st February 2023, the GM was held on 21st February 2023 in Archbishop's House, Shillong. In this meeting, it was decided to give press release to enlighten the citizens of Meghalaya to choose good leaders. 18 April 2023, the Saff had a general meeting on 18 April in Shillong with his monastery, Polo Shillong. The members agreed to attend the consultative meeting with religious leaders invited by Dr. Kalam Harris of Jingdap on the 24th of May 2023. The members had thorough discussions on the track abuse in Shillong and the state as a whole. We decided to meet and write a letter of concern to the Chief Secretary and DGP of the state. It was in this meeting that we decided to extend our invitation to the Second Catholic Maid Shillong and the Saint Jaidniam Shillong to be members of the Saff. The members attended the prayer meeting for peace and harmony invited by the Shillong Buddhist Association on the 29th April 2023. 19th June 2023, the last GM meeting before the Foundation Day took place in Rajdhani Vishwaram Bhavan Maruri Puja Mandap located in Shillong on the 19th June 2023. The General Secretary of the Saint Committee and the General Secretary of the Saint Jaidniam Shillong attended the meeting. It was in this meeting that we had minutes of silence to pray for peace in Manipur. Thank you, dated Shillong, the 10th of August 2023. Thank you very much.
2023-24 is peace, harmony and environment. I think all of you agree that environment या पर्यावरण एक ऐसे धागा है, it's such a strong thread which binds all religion and faith together. There is no religion or faith which does not acknowledge the importance of environment. Whether we see the Hindu way of life, we Sanatanis, if you see in our Vedas or in our Puranas, we will see that our way of life has been intricately linked with environment. In fact, even we have sacred rivers and mountains whom we worship. And this itself is a true manifestation of that spiritual link. When we talk of the Buddhists, we all know non-violence has been the epitome. And as we see in the Buddhist scriptures, they say, be like a bumblebee, go to the flower without disturbing its fragrance, its blossom, its color. Take the scent like you take the fragrance of life and move along without disturbing the flowers. In Christianity, you find hundreds of verses in the Bible which glorifies nature. The Christians believe that it was God who created this universe, and if humanity wants to disturb this biological diversity, humanity will do so at its peril. When we come to the Muslim religion, in Quran you find it is said that the divine form has created the earth for you to settle and the sky above to give you shelter. So we should not disturb what has been created. We have to be in sync with nature. Similarly, in Sikhism also, it says that you are the creator of the trees, the stream, the mountains, the waterfalls, the forests. So it is you who has to conserve. So in all religious or faith, you find among the Sankhasis the Sovereign and the inherent linkage of heart to heart with nature, where the traditional faith that the creation has come from the navel of the earth, that umbilical cord. So I think this is something, that environment which all binds us together. We can talk for hours on the linkage between religion and environment, but I will end with an example of mine. In North California, the redwood trees are considered the oldest and the largest. सबसे पुराना और सबसे बड़े पेड़ redwood forest के हैं, the redwood trees. Now, all of you may think, जितने पेड़ बड़े होते हैं, the bigger the trees, we all think that the roots must be going deep down. But this is not the fact with the redwood trees. The trees go horizontally, the roots. Why? Because they look for other smaller redwood trees, and when they meet, they come into a knot. Why? Those who are weak, they provide nourishment through these knots. So this is how they survive for more than 150, 60 years together with their roots bound together. So we in Saff also, we are bound and we will take forward that we are all religious and faith is bound by the roots so that we can grow stronger to maintain our ideals of Shanti, harmony and environment.
और एक फोरम के अध्यक्ष आज मिस्टर विंडो जी शेख के वाइस पदाधिकारी एवं सदस्यगण यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभाव कवियों का जन्म देवियों का जन्म आज इस प्रोग्राम में अलग अलग फेज से आस्था के महान भावों के बीच आकर मुझे अपराध हो रहा है कि फेज या आस्था जीवन के असली आनंद प्राप्त एक मूल मंत्र है। शांति सद्भाव पर्यावरण अर्थात हारमोनी रिक्वायरमेंट के सुंदर विषय से आपने प्रोग्राम के लिए चुना है, क्योंकि पीस और हारमोनी देवत्व और मानवता की पहचान की शांति और स्वभाव है। उसके बिना कोई भी ह्यूमन जनरेशन सभ्यता की श्रेणी में नहीं गिनी जा सकती। भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी बफर कुटुंबों की भावना के फोकस करते हुए अपने चर्चा में प्राथमिकता देते रहे हैं। इस दिशा में शिलांग आज के फोरम का गठन इसी प्रकार के आयोजन के बहुत ही सराहनीय काम है। इस योजना के लिए जहाँ कभी धर्म आस्थाओं के लोग मानवता के कल्याण और शांति के प्रभाव के साथ साथ मैं आपको बहुत भूल प्रशंसा और अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आस्था के नेता के रूप में आपने बहुत ही सही रास्ता दिखाया है। ईश्वर या प्राकृतिक पे विश्वास करने के कई तरीके हो सकते हैं, लेकिन सबका निर्माता एवं स्वामी एक ही है। जैसे मानव शरीर में कई अंग होते हैं, लेकिन शरीर का एक होता है हमारी आस्था, विश्वास, नफ्स, रंग, लिंग, भाषा, संवाद, संस्कृतियाँ इत्यादि अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, परंतु हम एक हैं। परम पिता निर्मित धरातल पर हम सबके सभी प्राणियों के साथ रहते हैं। पर्यावरण हमारी धरती माता है। पर्यावरण में प्रकृति, प्राकृति संसाधन शामिल हैं जो कई तरीके से हमारी मदद करते हैं तथा चारों ओर से घेरे हुए हैं। हम आगे बढ़ने तथा विकसित होने का बेहतर माध्यम देता है। मैं आप सभी को खेत के नेताओं से अपील करता हूँ कि आप लोग सभी लोग शांति और सद्भाव के मार्ग पर चलने तथा दूसरों को इसी रास्ते पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करें। आप सभी प्रेम सद्भाव सदा रहना चाहिए। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आप सभी लोग शांति स्वभाव में एक दूसरे के पास मिलजुल कर प्रेम से रहते हुए अपनी धरती माँ को प्यार और उसकी देखभाल करते रहेंगे। यह हम इस दिशा की ओर अपना कदम बढ़ाएंगे। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि शिलांग आज फोरम देश के शांति एवं सद्भाव के लिए अच्छा मंच तैयार कर सकेगा। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Which means may peace and blessing of Almighty Allah be upon all of us here. His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Ji, I would like to thank on behalf of Saff from the bottom of our heart that you have taken out your time to be with us. In Urdu, I would like to say, Khushamdi, Shukriya, Meherbani.
Considering the age of our state, Meghalaya, but Saff, as you have heard just now, was formed during the Kawei problems. The government had invited the faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, protections, and all that is necessary. So, as a Saff, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation Procedure SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to the government, and they have been accepted. And then besides all those, then in the course of time, We have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, besides all that, the best part of Saff is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. What I said, though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, so much problems. Saff is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, that the government, that the society requires of us, we the Saff is there always willing to help and to be of service to the society.
The city is not.
We have inquired about those and they're still to be verified. So that's why we have not really gone deep into the matter. But we are keeping up with all these incidents in the town, inshallah.
Can you also tell us about the latest intervention to douse the fire in Manipur?
We have talked about Manipur, and immediately the one and the only thing that Saff can offer is prayer for peace, prayer for harmony. So we have done that, and together as one body, and we'll see in the future what can be done. We'll take them.
But don't you think that is...
The Jingthmu Saff is there to bring about peace, harmony, brotherhood, togetherness in the society. We are yet to sit together and discuss and see what we can do, or what way we can help people in Manipur. If in Shillong this is possible, we believe that it should be possible anywhere. Ask the government, not us.